Okay, go.
Hi everyone. I'm going to illustrate the connectors and the using of them by the song I Love the Way You Lie by Eminem and Rihanna. So in this song, she's telling her feelings in a story. And in a story, you want to know the events in sequence in order to understand the story. So in the very first part of the story, she say, I just use it, the same connector, the first. So in the first page of our story, what is the first thing happen? She said the future seems so bright. So this is the first thing in their story. Then, so what happened next? This things turn out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Even Angel, so it's here is a time sequence. Now we have another kind of connectors, which is conception, which is mean that it's kind of contrast. Even A, B is contradiction for A. So and is also a connector than both. So it's full of connectors, even though it's also concession.
Contrast.
Connector.
I mean concession. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Contrast. even this happened, this another things happen. So,
Okay.
you want me to sing it right now?
And?
Moving on to the second part, we will see and is show the addition of the first sentence. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. And because but we will show the contrast between the first sentence and the second sentence. But that's alright because I like the way it's heard, because it shows the reason why the telling the reason why cause and effect. And this also show and because again.
Okay. Rowan?
As the songbird started telling her story with the time sequence connectors, now she continued with now there is a gravel in our voices. So this is a time sequence connectors, and here we can see this cluster and this tag of what you all always win, even when I am right, even when it is concessions. So even when you are not right, you will win. So even when I'm right, you will win. Because then she explained why she let him to win. Because you feed me pebbles from your hand. So she used that concessions to explain her feelings.
Okay.
That's it. And she used some conjunctions like and part. Yeah, conjunctions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.